Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can pay with your RBC debit card online. So in here, to pay with your RBC debit card, you want to make your purchase first on the website, and then you want to make sure you find a shop that applies RBC debit card. So here on debit card of RBC, you can make fast payments, make purchases in the US, you can link your mobile wallet, and free ATM withdrawals and online shopping. So to use your RBC debit card, you need to enter a card number and then CCV on the exact details that needs on the credit card information address or debit card address and what you're buying to. So here, the debit card CCV is the most important one, so yeah, it's on the back of your card, so make sure you remember that. And that's pretty much the basics of it, and you can actually buy anything online with your debit card. So yeah, I hope this helped you with your problem, and thanks for watching.